Hi, my name is Patrick. This video is to tell you about a course called MAT1000. This is for students who are looking for specifically for cracking the math section of the CAT. Either you're weak at mathematics or you want to really reinforce your methods. This course is right for you. So, we've been training students for more than 23 years, training students for various entrance exams, including CAT, etc. So, the courses for CAT 25, we have a DR 1000 course, MAT1000 course, we have a 100 percentile batch and a mentorship course. So if you're interested, you can contact us. So MAT1000. So videos that will help your fundamentals. So we'll provide you some videos that will help your fundamentals. So if you feel you're weak in a particular topic or need practice, then that will help you practice those specific topics right from the basics. So we'll have 1000 questions of maths so that you can practice those and be good at it. And there will be 50 hours of live sessions. The key out here is to help you understand how to crack the CAT mathematics section. The right methods, the right approaches. The focus is approaches. I mean, a lot of people normally when they practice mathematics, they focus on the school methods, using the formulas, using long methods to solve. The right approach is using the right methods, using options, substituting values, right techniques, then get the answer quickly. The key is to get this approach right, and the moment you get the approach right, your scores in mathematics should improve. Salient features. So I've scored 100% twice as far as maths is concerned. Overall 6 times, yes. So very comfortable what is required to crack the exam. So we'll provide you enough comprehensive material required to crack the exam. Practice questions, methods, how to solve, concept videos. A lot of things that will help you in the exam. You can join the course by going to prep.patrick100.com or contact us at 9821314788 or email at support@quantacademy.com. The fees for the course is 4,900. You can, if you have any queries, please feel free to contact us. Right? Thank you.